Now we're coming to the question of pay for performance, and it's going to be mostly about pay for performance today. And the first exercise is, let's assess performance. What actually is a good performance? And I've provided for you a small exercise. The exercise comes from an actual company. I simplified the numbers so that they're not confusing. But these are the 4 metrics that are the most important in performance-based contracts. So what year was the best year?
Year 6.
Year 6. Okay. Why year 6?
Because they had a good profit margin level. It's the second best profit margin. They also have a 45 increase in profits. And that means that the earnings per share will be also great. And it's the biggest size of the company they reach in this period of time. And also they have a good sales growth.
Okay. Other opinions? Yes?
We say year 5 is best in performance. Year 6 has highest sales. And year 2 also, compared year 1 was really good. But year 5, we saw sales growth coming from -6 to 17. And that is the biggest gap we've seen between the years since year 1. So
Okay.
based on year-to-year performance, that's the best year.
There's an economic point of view which is typically not mentioned. The increase in profit is the highest in year 4. So if you believe that value of the company is the most important thing, then year 4 would be the economic point of view. The most important thing here is that we can't agree on performance. This is the important thing, because if we cannot agree on performance, how can we define milestones or metrics to actually pay based on performance? You can't just go and look at the financial numbers and know what the answer is. Financial numbers are actually quite dangerous as an indicator to maximize. And we depend on them for pay for performance.